All right, we're in my 1999 Toyota Tacoma with the 6-cylinder 3.4-liter engine. I changed the fan belts, all three of them, and thought I had fixed the problem. But let's start this and listen to it for a second. You hear that squealing? And now it has gone away. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on. You hear it again. All right. I'm going to show you how to replace the AC idler pulley. I have one you'll see here shortly, but let me pull this into the garage. In the unlikely event it rains. All right, park, brake on, engine off. Gonna pop the hood. All right, this is the box opening of a Murray 233-0026 idler assembly, made in the United States. There it is. All right, I'm going to go install it. All right, there is the pulley straight ahead. You can see I have a wrench connected to loosen it up. In order to make this move, you need I used a socket and 14mm wrench to go right to there to loosen that, and you can see it's loose. Then over here, if you look at the end of the wrench, let me get this up there so you can see, the end of the wrench there is the other bolt that you gain access to from that way, and it's this bolt right here, and hopefully you can see that. So now I'm going to remove the nut on the front of that pulley next. See if I can. Okay, there's the nut. And now I'm going to pull the pulley forward. There's a washer or some type of retainer. And you can, okay, hopefully you can see up in there. That's the nut that you're looking at straight ahead, right there. That's the bolt, and that's the arm that I'm going to loosen so I can get the new pulley on. But let's take a look at the pulley right here. Here's the pulley. Let me set you down and take a look at this. All right, the pulley actually mounts this way. You have the nut that goes on the end of that, a retainer piece, and you can see with light maybe how that looks. It looks like we'll do an experiment, but it looks like that's a lock, and that we can replace just the bearing in it. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to make sure that we fit and this matches. That looks right. Front. Okay, that's how I'm going to put that in. The way this one fit, it was like this. So all right, with that being said, yeah, I'm putting this in like so. That's the way I'm going to put it back. I can feel it you can see it wiggle, hopefully. And you can hear some movement. And of course, this new one has none of that. Okay, let me go put this back together again. All right, you can gain access moving this hose right up there. I've made it kind of hand tight. I'm going to tighten it just a little more with a socket, and then tighten this bolt here. This bolt, pull it taut. So I'm going to do that off camera, but it is easy to get to. You come in this way to get to the bolt, and you come in straight from the front. And as you can see, there are 3 belts that are there. Okay. Okay. Looks like the clouds are breaking up finally. For the record, it failed the startup. It appears to have been another belt that was loose. And now we're going to wait for another couple of weeks before I put the skid plate back on.